Greetings and welcome to Module 1, Introduction to Mass Media. I hope everyone had a great first week, or at least a good one. And if you had a bad one, I hope it was the best bad week that you've ever had. But let's hope you had a good and great week. First, we had the discussion board last week and we had the mandatory honor lock quiz. The, both of those need to be done. The honor lock quiz has to be done. So if you didn't, we have an extended deadline till September 7th. Usually the deadlines are at the end of the academic week, which is Saturday. The weeks run Monday through Saturday, if you recall. We've got some extra time because the first of the semester, some students drop or add. It might be coming in late. So whatever your circumstances are, you have until September 7th to do the mandatory honor lock quiz, and go ahead and go back and do the initial discussion board too if you haven't yet. Also, some students may be working ahead. I'd prefer that you didn't. I'm not going to get angry or penalize anyone who does, because that's great, looking ahead. But do be warned that I at times change assignments or change module content based on what the class is doing and how students are responding. Sometimes I may need to add something, sometimes take it away, sometimes revise assignment guidelines. So keep that in mind. If you're working ahead, it's a little bit risky. This week it's easy actually. Click on Mass Media Introduction. You've got two articles, you've got an infographic, a timeline, and a video by that Joe Smooth fellow. That's not me, obviously, but he's pretty cool and he provides solid information. I'll give him that, right? He sounds like he's from New Orleans, though, doesn't he? He is smooth. Class questions is at the top of our module, so if you've got a question, post it there. Of course, you can also reach me. I have office hours Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and that's 4 to 5 p.m. Eastern time. And then on Thursday, the office hours are actually Zoom. Doesn't mean you have to be there, but I'm available on Zoom. The camera's up and going, so you can drop in. The link is in the syllabus, the Zoom meeting number. And if you want to chat with me face to face, we can do that. Or if you want to leave your camera off, you can do that too and just chat with me. You can do the audio thing. Although I like to see you when you go to Zoom. So, and you know what? Contact me anytime. I don't care if it's during office hours or not. Well, maybe not on Sunday morning at 8 a.m. and maybe not on Friday night at 11 p.m. But again, my contact information's in the syllabus, and I'm here for you. Discussion board. Choose one of the three questions. Choose one of the three questions. And I've added some MLA resources if you are citing, and if I recall, the directions do ask you to cite and include a references page or a works cited page. Same thing, different terminology. So those links and samples in the MLA resources will help you do that if you don't want to do it on your own or don't know where to go to get samples or guidelines for yourself. They're there for you. The initial post is due Wednesday. It's 150 words. The responses to classmates are due Friday. That's 100 words. And read and follow the directions. By the way, and if I recall right, I've asked you to be active more than one day out of the week. Don't go in, which is only right. I mean, the discussion board is how our class gets together and meets, and if we're only active on it one day a week, that's just not sufficient. It's not substantive enough. So check in at least 2 or 3 times, and participate and be active at least 2 or 3 times. Proof your work carefully, meet the deadline, and do not use AI to generate your responses. That's cheating, okay? If AI writes your paragraphs for you or your answers for you, that's cheating, and that's a violation of academic integrity. Now, you can use AI to check your grammar. You can use AI to check your punctuation. Don't let AI write your words. I would rather see your words with all the mistakes than AI's perfectly worded, fancy, fake cheating output. All right. All right. Have a great week. And if you need me, you know how to contact me. Thanks.